Hey everyone! So today we are going to learn how to work with the back loop only. So here you can see I have a little amigurumi plush. This is the white rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. And I'm going to show you now that in these few stitches I actually worked in the back loops, which left me with front loops to then make this extra collar part. So this is just an example of how you can use back loops and what it enables you to do later on. So let us now understand what it means when a pattern says back loop only. It can also be abbreviated to BLO, but essentially that just means back loop only. So you may have a pattern that says 18 single crochet stitches, but this has to be done in the back loop only. So it would say BLO 18 SC. So I'm going to show you how that translates to the actual working stitch. So as you can see here, we have some single crochet stitches all the way around. There are actually 18 here, but that's just an example. And remember, usually when we make a single crochet stitch, you're working in both of these front and back loops. Can you see that? So we're just working in. So my hook comes in both the front and back loops. Now, if a pattern says back loop only, it means the hook is going to only enter into the back loop. Can you see that? And let's say, or suppose the pattern said back loop only single crochet stitch. So from here, now that our hook is entered, all we need to do is make a single crochet stitch, just like that. So let's try it again. We come into the back loop only, just like that, and then we make whatever stitch we are told to make. So let's try it again, back loop only, just like that. And what it does is it leaves us with front loops of this round below, which we can work with later on to make something like a collar or an extra flare of clothing or something like that. So that is the back loop that you're working in, and it doesn't always have to be single crochet stitches. Sometimes they might say half double crochet stitch in the back loop only, and that's how we'd make the half double crochet stitch. It might say a double crochet stitch in the back loop only, and there we go, we've just done that. Any type of stitch, even a slip stitch in the back loop only. There we go, back loop only slip stitch is done, and things like that. So they can indicate any type of stitch in the back loop. All it just means is, of course, you're working in that back loop, just like that. So I hope that helps, guys. That's the back loop only tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.